guys, Dean back here. Yeah, soccer teenager. Soccer teenager, get ready for this. I'm gonna act like a cow. I was at the farm today. I saw a male cow that's a steer. His name's Leo, and this is what sound he makes. My educational assistant named Mr. Darling. His first name is Chris. Mr. Chris Darling, and he done this. This is what he does. So to make a cow noise, and your parents would get mad, but doesn't matter if they do. It would be funny. So, this is how you make it. I'm acting like a cow. Kako kraf. Oh yeah. Kako kraf. Moo. Moo. Yes, some kraf. Yes, some kraf. I'm a cow. No, I'm a cow. Hey. I'll be some animal. Hey, Mom, she asked me if I saw Leo, and I said, Mom, you know what we done? This is the good thing. You know how we went inside his pen? And when we went inside his pen, Bubba said, be careful, because when Elsie was behind him, he almost kicked her when they were patting him. He waved his tail around like this. And I told her when he got angry, that's how he moves. So I'm showing her. But if I'm a cow, I won't understand. So I'm a cow still. I'm a cow. Oh, guys. Oh, you know why my name is Leo the cow. I'm a steer. I look like a steer. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a steer. I'm a cow. Hey, I'm a cow. I'm a cow. Yes, some crap. Hey, I'm a cow. Moo. Moo. No. Yes. Jag ska gissa dem av er. Jag ska gissa dem av er. Che è di questo? Я с кем угасам, I'm serious. Che? Абе, я с кем угасам.
Абе, коски не ти скърша.
Абе, не сакам да ми скършиш нищо, бе. Само сакам да го угасам. I was acting like a cow. No. I can't stop. That's it. Hey, that's it. I'm not a cow anymore. That's it. Dejanče nazad. Kravo zaminave. Okay. Dejanče's back. No, not him. No. No, not Tony, no. Alright, kravo zamina. Dejanče nazad. Ajde. Alright, guys. That's me. I was just a cow. Ajde, dosta, please.
Go get your stuff. Nick's coming now. Go get your stuff. I'm going to teachers. You know what? You want to come with me?
No, stop. I've got him. Stop. Nick. Oh my God. I'm not. Please, man.
I'll be your teacher. So if you've got any issues, no worries. I actually want you to come here.
Stop talking about him, man. I don't want to hear about Chick.
Who's better? Chick or me? You said you're looking forward to going into this year.
I don't want to hear about Cheech. I just don't know about Nick, man. I'm going to the gym. And I do want to talk to him. I have to.
Yeah, talk to him, man. He'll give you the hot spot. No one else gives you a hot spot. He's nice too, like Nick is.
I know. Oh, yeah. Please, be. Abе, udam se ovaj be čovjeko sa Nick, be. Svaki se iznerviram. No, I can't believe it. I told Anthony that I'm going to get angry.
That's why you don't have David. Because you talk like this about Nick. That's why David.
No.
All you got to do is go to the gym. Stop being
I can't. I will go to the gym. Abe, ne sakam se ovaj be Nick da udam, be. Abe, ne, abe, ta vika od mene oti, ovaj be Nick be kidi. Abe, ako nego... Abe, me iznervira, be. Ej, me uplaši kako biše bez sik, be. Ne, abe, zemi ko izčisti go od tuka. Abe, idi tuka. Ne, jaz koliko se vlegmam u nego kujo kar... No, abe, go mrazam da go pulam. Toliko me nervira, be. Piss me off. Izčisti go, be. Ne go sakam. I sorry za to, ama ti znaš pa ba. Go nekam... No, svinjere su maš. Na, ne go sakam ti neči. Me uplaši kako beše pule. He scared me when I was sick, man.
Ništo ne pravi, djeteto, šuj da napravi.
To je ničin. Me uplaši. Abe, neke odam gore, be, please. Just go, be, pegajte od tuka dvato. Abe, me iznervira po pasto, ne možem da go sakam, ne možem, be. Ne znam kako da go sakam. On pakke me iznervira. I don't have a choice.
Yeah, you don't, because where did David go? Gone. Everybody bloody left you except for beautiful Nick.
No, it's an escalation. Abe, ne možem abe, dosta me sove, bebe. Ne uplaši kako beše sik, ne uplaši kako beše sik. To je znači. Mom, I know I don't want to not like him either, and I feel bad for not liking him, but I don't have a choice. Why are you calling Cheech?
Oh, I'm not my sports fan.
Okay, Mom, I'm sorry about this, man. I told Anthony that I'm going to get angry yesterday. Anthony, man. Lord.
Yes, sure, don't get Cheech.
Why do I have to come to Cheech, man?
Where are you going to go? You think you're going to stay here?
No. Okay, Mum, if I wanted to, I will, Mum. But you know what I want to do? They just eat and
You don't want to be at Cheech's house? I'm going to tell you what he's going to do. He's waiting for you. He thinks you're coming. He doesn't know you're coming.
But I don't want to...
You know what he wants you to do? He's got a chair in the garage in the cold, right? Facing the wall. And with no devices, no nothing. He's waiting for you to sit in that chair.
What's wrong with him, man? Why is he so mean?
That's what you need, military.
No. I don't want to... I don't even want to know about bloody military.
Where's all your stuff? Come on. Because as soon as Nick comes, we've got to go.
Okay, fine, I'll get all of them then! Ne go sakam be ovaj benik. Ne znam što da pravim s ovaj benik. Ja sam sorry za te, aber ti baba ti ve sakam. Ne znam ili kako go sakam nego. I jaz ne sakam da go nego sakam. I jaz ne sakam da go mrazam. Ama jaz nemam choice. I don't have a choice, man. And I could like him, but that's my choice.
No, it's not. That's a rude.
Oh, I can't, man.
They're at a funeral all day with them.
And I feel bad, man, because because right now I've got Nick. I've got Nick. No. And it's okay for you to do that. Because did you see how nice it was? Yeah, I laid on the couch, man. So comfortable with them. Really like them. They're so funny to me, like, ugh.
How are they funny? Do you see them smiling?
No. But you want...
They're so upset.
But you want to understand why I'm being rude to... About Nick? About Nick? I'm tired of him.
He's done nothing. What do you want him to do? Nothing. He doesn't talk unless you speak to him. He's being very passive. The guy is like walking on eggshells with you. I don't know.
Yeah, you heard what I just said. I can't, man, because when I'm with him, because him to me is hell no.
Go get your water.
I know, Mum, and you said I should be friends with him, and I said I didn't want to.
Don't be friends.
And I know
Just go with him, like a worker.
Like a worker, yes. I know he wants to be friends with me. Well, I don't want to be. That's good that he doesn't, because I don't want to.
Well, that's why David was, because you made him. So if you weren't so mean to him, maybe David would have
I've done nothing to him,
You
man.
did, but why did you leave them? Because you're mean. And yet David said he's got no time today. That's not his style.
That was on me. I just don't know about Nick, man. Still. I'm bored. And I know, man. But, because he was acting like, because he was firm and strict, man. Strict and firm. Well, I don't know why he acted firm and strict on me in the first place. No, I don't want to, man. He was acting strict and firm on me. He should have not done that in the first place, though. No. And I know you want me to be friends with you. Well, I don't want to be. Okay? Because him to me is hell no. You're saying that I want to, but I said to you I didn't want to. Okay, Nick to me is a no. I am no longer friends with him. Anthony. Nick. I said we are not friends anymore, man. No more. Man. Leave me alone. Man, actually. Leave me alone. Anthony. Nick to me is no. I am no longer friends with him. Said we are not friends anymore. Stop harassing me. No more and no more. Stop harassing me. I have had no choice but to break up with him. I had to break up with him purposely. I have had no choice but to break up with him. Yeah, I had to break up with him purposely. Stop harassing me. Stop hassling me. Man. Leave me alone. And actually, leave me alone.